Hello everyone, I'm Ella Liu, an application engineer from Shining 3D. Welcome to the unboxing of EinScan Trak. Now, the entire scanner case is right in front of you. Are you ready to see what's inside the box? Let's get started. First, we have the EinScan Trak tracker. The tracker tracks the scanner's position in real time during scanning. The tracker features a range indicator light, and the software also provides on-screen animation and text prompts, all clearly showing whether the spherical scanner is currently within the tracker's tracking range. This allows EinScan Trak to scan without the need to paste markers, making the workflow much faster and cleaner. Additionally, when using global markers mode, the tracker can be used to quickly scan markers. It features indicator lights that help guide proper scanning distance, show the tracker's connection status, and indicate battery level. Next, this is the EinScan spherical scanner. The scanner captures the 3D data of the objects. Its spherical frame has 12mm reflective markers which can be detected by the tracker, so the scanner can work without any markers on the scanned object while having no requirements on the object's geometry features. For tasks that demand greater range and flexibility, the scanner can be quickly detached and used independently as a handheld laser scanner, giving users more flexibility for different scanning scenarios. In a scanner mode, the scanner is powered by a built-in camera and features a camera module consisting of a pair of 2-megapixel depth cameras and one 5-megapixel texture camera. It can connect to your computer either wirelessly or via cable. Moreover, it supports marker-free laser scanning based on feature alignment, allowing operation without the need for pasting markers on the object. Here, we have the Calibration Rod. It is used for tracker calibration, which ensures stable tracking performance. Each rod is customized and has a unique QR code on the front. Before calibrating, please follow the animated on-screen instructions to align the QR code with the tracker to complete the verification process and ensure you're using the correct rod. The system calibrator is used for system calibration. During calibration, you can place the calibrator on the device suitcase. There is a slot on the case to securely hold the calibrator in place. Once the calibrator is facing the tracker, you can begin the system calibration using the spherical scanner. During the calibration process, the software will display both a front view and a top view of the calibration setup. Just follow the on-screen animations, hold everything steady, move correctly, and you will succeed. Proper calibration is the key to reliable, accurate scanning results. Next, we have the tripod. The tripod is used to mount and position the tracker. A stable tracker setup is important, especially during calibration and single-station scanning, as it directly affects the reliability of calibration results and the accuracy of scan data. Beyond its excellent stability, the tripod also allows flexible height adjustments, enabling the tracker to accommodate different sizes of scan objects. Here is the power adapter, which provides power to the system. We also include a multi-country plug adapter kit for convenient use in different regions. There are 4 batteries included in the package. The spherical frame, the tracker, and the scanner all run on these same batteries. We support hot swapping, which means you can change a battery without powering down, provided that at least one battery stays inside the device. This function keeping your workflow uninterrupted. And this is the battery compartment, which provides fast charging for the batteries. And this is the router with Ethernet cable. The router helps build the wireless connection between system components, supporting stable communication during scanning. This is the USB Ethernet adapter. The USB Ethernet adapter is used when your computer doesn't have built-in Ethernet port or extra USB-A port. This adapter can be used to convert the connection type to a Type A or Type C port. Here is the USB drive, which includes the EinScan Trak scanning software. So you can just simply plug it in your workstation and then you can download our software. Here we have the marker sets for both 6 and 12mm sizes. Although EinScan Trak supports marker-free tracking, markers are still very useful in some special scanning workflows, and this is the marker scraper. It allows you to remove markers quickly and easily. Save time and effort compared to manual removal. Now, let's take a look at the cable included in the box. It includes the power cable, two 4.5-meter power and data cable assemblies. These three cables allows you to make all the necessary wire connection between the tracker, scanner, computer, and power supply. And this is the 2-meter power cable. Used together with the power adapter, they can power the router and support the wireless connection. Finally, we have the packing list, which helps you to check that all the accessories are included. There is also a QR code on the list for you to scan and view the user manual for EinScan Trak. And here is a quick guide brochure helps you to get started with the system quickly. And we also include a cleaning cloth for cleaning the device and camera modules. So that's everything included in the EinScan Trak package. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to hear your feedback and see all the amazing creative projects you come up with using the EinScan Trak.